Okay, this is a 20-gallon drum that I picked up at a recycling place for $25. I bought a water pump on Amazon for about $15 that I have mounted here. I bought a inspection port on Amazon also, a 4-inch, so I can use to fill the tank. I'm running it off of this small lead acid battery right here, mounted on the cart. The wheels are from a small non-pedal type bicycle. I took some nuts, rounded them off, and drove them into this pipe. And that's holding the axle in place. If I need to, I can spot weld those nuts in place inside the pipe through these holes that I drilled there. Here's the cord that goes in to the cigarette lighter adapter on the battery. Then I have a long cord that I can lead up to the seat on my riding mower and switch the pump on and off with this switch. The cart is made of 2x4s. I have one long 2x4s and then 2 crossbars. And also I have some 1x6 wood here that I'm used for a cradle for the drum. The drum is attached to the cart using these long hose clamps that'll hold it securely in place. On the front of the cart, I put a piece of 1-inch square tubing that I cut a slot in the end of it and drilled a hole in it so that I can fasten this to the hitch on the back of the riding mower. And that's the whole project. Got about $60 or so invested in it. This spray head right here I had already, and I had all these hose fittings and hose clamps already, and this is going down into the tank here. There's an elbow that goes into the tank, and then down inside the tank I have a piece of hose and a brass fitting on the end of it to keep it on the bottom of the tank. This nozzle has a 1/2 spray pattern, and it sprays about 8 foot wide on this cart. And with this nozzle and with this pump, it puts out 1 gallon a minute of liquid. So I can easily figure out how much fertilizer to mix using a 1 gallon a minute